Experts have been warning since 2018 that the government was keeping them from reporting international health situations, leaving Canadians at risk. The last warning that went out without government interference was in May of 2019. 7 months later, doctors in Wuhan began raising alarms about a pandemic. Mr. Speaker, why did the Prime Minister shut down this country's first line of defense against COVID-19?
Right, Honourable Prime Minister.
Once again, Mr. Speaker, we see the Conservatives playing up alarmist political points to score cheap political points. That's simply not the way it worked. We worked from the beginning of January where our public health officials engaged with their counterparts, and Dr. Tam engaged with their counterparts across the country to highlight the concerns and the threat of this potential virus. We had intelligence briefings through the month of January on this issue, and we continue to work based on the best advice of our top scientists and medical officials in Canada, but also top scientists and officials from around the world, including at the WHO.
Honourable Leader of the Opposition.
Mr. Speaker, alarmist. What's alarming is the news story in the paper today that said that senior Health Canada officials said that information about health outbreaks were being dumbed down by this government. Scientists have said the government placed a higher priority on open source information from China than on information gathered by Canadian intelligence officials. Before the pandemic warning system was shut down by this Prime Minister, it was leading the world in identifying outbreaks. Why did the Prime Minister put the health of Canadians at risk when he shut down the pandemic warning system?
Honourable Prime Minister.
Speaker, I think all Canadians, and especially scientists across this country, will know that we will not take lessons from Conservatives when it comes to supporting science and scientists in this country. For 10 years under Stephen Harper, they slashed science budgets. They slashed and limited the abilities of scientists to do their work. So on the contrary, we invested historic amounts in supporting scientists across the country, in ensuring that science is at the forefront of decisions we take. We will continue to put forward the responsible and powerful decisions made by our science as the things that we move forward as a country on.